In today's video, I'm aiming to teach you how to enable two-step verification for Google Workspace security. Two-step verification, often called 2SV, adds an extra layer of protection to your organization and by requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, like a phone prompt or an app-generated code. Turning this on at the admin level empowers your users to enroll and dramatically reduces the risk of compromised accounts. First, head to the Google Admin Console by opening admin.google.com and sign in with an administrator account. You'll land on the Admin Console homepage. If you don't see the exact tiles I mentioned, that's okay. Interfaces can shift slightly, but the names of the sections remain consistent. Next, click on Security. You can find it on the homepage or by opening the main menu in the top left corner. If your dashboard is busy, use the search bar at the top and type Security to jump straight there. The security area is where Google Workspace centralizes your organization's protection, including password rules, two-step verification, and other identity controls. Inside Security, select Authentication. This section houses your sign-in and identity policies. It's a good place to review how users authenticate today and to prepare for stronger controls like 2SV. Now, choose two-step verification. You may see it listed as 2SV. This page summarizes your current status and options. Before you proceed, take a moment to note the scope shown near the top. Settings can apply to your entire organization or to specific organizational units. Knowing the scope helps you understand who will be affected. Finally, click on Allow users to turn on two-step verification. Enabling this option lets your users opt in and enroll a second factor the next time they visit their Google account security settings. Common methods include Google prompts on a trusted device, codes from an authenticator app, or a hardware security key. Allowing users to turn it on is a practical first step that builds adoption without forcing an immediate change to everyone's login experience. A few tips to ensure a smooth rollout. Let your team know what's changing and why it matters, and point them to Google's account security page so they can enroll a method that suits them. Remind them to set up backup options like recovery codes in case they lose access to a device. And keep an eye on your admin reports to monitor uptake over time. That's it. You went to the admin console, opened security, selected authentication, opened two-step verification, and allowed users to turn it on, putting a stronger security foundation in place for your organization.